Here we've got LeEco Le S3, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So at first let's open the camera app, then find and select the settings, and here you will notice timer. It's the very first possibility. Smoothly click on it, and now you can either pick 3 seconds delay, 5 seconds delay, or even 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 5 seconds, and just click on the camera icon. Here you've got the countdown, and this is it, the picture has been taken. Then if you would like to change it to, for example, 10 seconds, just pick and enter. And afterwards the picture will be captured, just give it 10 seconds. And that's it. Then if you would like to switch off camera timer, just select off, and now it's taken after the click. So this is it. This is how you can activate and use camera timer on your device in your LeEco Le S3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.